Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. We are from Euthetic Taan Senior Berhad, Group 12. My name is Siti Nurfaliha binti Muhammad Ihsan. So, my group mate is Ambar Hasan Lelaki Mades 193162. Aiduna Suha binti Hasanan 19252531. And myself, Siti Nurfaliha binti Muhammad Ihsan 193844. And Wan Naziha Diana binti Wan Yusof. Okay, next is our introduction. For our objective is to produce methanol from 35 million metric ton per year of carbon dioxide. And our raw material is flue gas, MEA solvent, which is monoethanol amine, and hydrogen gas. For flue gas is our main production of methanol is from carbon dioxide that captured from the flue gas. The flue gas is obtained from a company which involve the combustion of coal by the use of flue gas analyzer. And 35 million metric ton per year of carbon dioxide is our feed. For MEA solvent, monoethanol amine, it is used to absorb carbon dioxide from the flue gas. And hydrogen gas is, it will react with carbon dioxide to produce methanol.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Nazia Haliana binti Wan Yusof, and my metric numbers is 192032. So I will explain to you guys about the overall process. In our process system, we have the absorber, the stripper, the fixed bed reactor, the high pressure separators, and the distillation column. Our production, we should produce the methanol from the CO2 fat, but we are choosing to use the flue gas, which is came out from the company that involved the combustions of coal, and then we do some process on it to become the CO2. So the functions of absorber is to absorb the carbon dioxide from the flue gas with the help of MEA solvents, and the functions of stripper is to separate more water from the carbon dioxide. Okay, this is our Excel. For the absorber parts, we put okay. So we put the compositions of the flue gas, which is CO2, N2, H2O, NOx, SO2, O2, and CO. And the monoethyl amines. Between the absorber and the stripper, there is a recycle. So after the outlet stream from the absorber is containing CO2, H2O, and MEA, it's fed into the stripper. And this part, which is the outlet from the stripper, is recycled into the absorber here in the stream 2. So this is from the stripper. Okay, so the outlet of the stripper is CO2 and H2. It is fed to the fixed bed reactor, and there's a few process involved that my friend will explain to you. So the efficiency of the absorber is 90% efficiency with the temperatures of 51.1 degrees Celsius at 1 atm, while the stripper is at 90 to 150 Celsius. The production of CO2, okay, I tried. Okay, so the production of CO2 that entered the fixed bed reactor is 6077629492.204 G per hour. So just this is from me. Thank you.
So once we get the oxygen from the two non-reactive units, which is stripper and absorber, So we just use the carbon dioxide that we obtained from these units to start our reaction in the fixed bed reactor. So the fixed bed reactor, the info that we get from the internet is that the fractional conversion of H2 in fixed bed reactor is 80%, and the catalyst used in this reaction is copper or zinc oxide, which will increase the reaction speed. And the reaction equation is CO2 plus 3H2 will produce methanol plus water. So the composition that we get from the stripper is for the carbon dioxide 0.665, and for the water 0.335. So from that we also have the information of flow rate, and then there is one stream which enter to the fixed bed reactor. The stream is pure hydrogen, which we'll need for the reaction further. And the flow rate for the hydrogen can find from the equation, which is 1 CO2 will react with 3 mole of H2. So in order to find H2, we just need to times the flow rate of carbon dioxide, which is 3 times the flow rate of hydrogen is 3 times of the flow rate of carbon dioxide. And for the product stream, the composition is carbon dioxide, H2O, H2, methanol. So for the composition, it's 0.444 carbon dioxide, 0.1113 water, 0.333 methanol, and 0.11 sorry. So the 0.11 is methanol, 0.33 is for hydrogen. So that's all for the fixed bed reactor.
Okay, I will continue the part of the fixed bed reactor, high pressure separator and distillation column. So my name is Ainun Nasar binti Asnai. My metric number is 192531. Okay, the functions of the fixed bed reactor. The functions of the high pressure separator is to separate the liquid and gases after the reactions in the feedback reactor. Okay, for the distillation column, we separate the water from the methanol, so we can get the purified methanol productions and the pure water from distillation column. So for high pressure separator, we get the feed from the fixed bed reactor, which is H2 and 2 CH4 CO CO2 CH3OH H2O. Okay, for the feed is only H2 and H2, CO2, CH3OH and H2O. Sorry for my mistake. And we separate the gas and liquid. And liquid we just go to the distillation column, and the gas we just throw it to the waste tank. Or in the future we will sold the product maybe. So in the liquid phase is only CH3 and H2O. In the waste tank we provide CO2 and H2. So next, so for the high pressure separator we use 1300 psi, and for the temperature is 300 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, next we go to the distillation column. We just separate the methanol and H2O, so we get the pure water, and we get the productions of methanol, which is 0.931 mole. So this feed is from Okay, next is for costing. So we calculate the costing. First is we calculate the gross income, which is this is the productions of methanol ton per year, and we just multiply with the product with the price of productions per time, and we get the gross income, and then we minus the our costs in this we minus a cost, so we get the profits 46 for 46775 419 295.59 ringgit. Okay, that's all from my part. Thank you.
Okay, for the conclusion is the total production of methanol that produced by our company is 1696.8062.67 ton per year from the field of 35 million metric ton of carbon dioxide. Based on the calculation, we found that our profit is 46,775,419 295.59 ringgit. From the cost of raw material is 36,300 214,537.95 ringgit. Our profit is in a large amount since we just scrapped the flue gas from the company that involved the combustion of the coal.
Sorry, just now I didn't tell my name. So my name is Anbar Hassan. My metric number is 193162. So we just continue. As for recommended, the price of flue gas do not include in this process since we just trapped the flue gas from the environment. So the flue gas analysis used to determine the composition of flue gas based on the composition that needed in our process. So we just use a roughly estimation on the profit without include of electricity and the machine price. So in the production of carbon dioxide from flue gas, there is a recycle stream that recycles the use of MEA solvent. This will reduce the cost to produce carbon dioxide. The other waste in outlet stream is put in the tank to be treated before release it. We also think to sell the waste that is useful based on their demands that still need a fuel process, and this will conducted in the future. Thank you.